Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this new session of translating and reciting the Quran. You know that we had already done one part of verse 74. Today we'll do the rest of the verse 74 and verse 75 as well. So let's start off. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإن من الحجارة لما يتفجر منه الأنهار وإن منها لما يشقق فيخرج منه الماء وإن منها لما يحبط من خشية الله وما الله بغافل عما تعملون أفتطمعون أن يؤمنوا لكم وقد كان فريق منهم يسمعون كلام الله ثم يحرفونه من بعد ما عقلوه وهم يعلمون صدق الله العظيم. Okay, so let's try to translate it. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Wa inna, and indeed, minal hijarati, from amongst the stones, lama, there are those, yatafajjaru, burst forth, minhu, from which, al-anhar, rivers. That is, there are stones from which springs, waters, they come out and they turn into rivers. وَإِنَّ مِنْهَا, and indeed minha, from amongst them, that is from amongst those stones. Lama, there are those, yashaqqaqu, that break, they split open. فَيَخْرُجُ, then comes out, minhu, from it, al-ma, water. وَإِنَّ مِنْهَا, and indeed from amongst them, lama, there are those, yahbitu, that fall down, min khashyatillah, from fear of Allah, for the fear of God, because of his fear. Wallahu, and God is not, bighafilin, unaware, amma, about what ta'malun, you do. That is, God knows what you do. If you do things wrong and do them knowingly, your hearts get hardened. So God knows what you're doing, and He changes the quality of your heart, the softness or hardness of your heart accordingly. Afatat ma'una. So is it? Afa, fa is so, is it. Afa, so is it, tatba'una, that you desire, an yu'minu, that they should believe, lakum, in you. That is, now God is addressing Muslims. Do you desire that these children of Israel are going to believe in you and in what you believe in? وَقَدْ كَانَ, even though, kana fariqun, there has been a group, fariq, group, minhum, from amongst them. You know, whom means they, minhum, from amongst them, yasma'una, which listens to kalam Allahi, God's word, God's kalam. Thumma, then, yuharrifunahu, it changes it, mim badi, after, ma aqaluhu, understanding it, after they had understood it. Wahum ya'lamun, and they do it knowingly. Wahum ya'lamun, and they do it knowingly. That is, they change the text of God's word, His book, knowingly. Let's do it a second time. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَإِنَّ مِنَ الْحِجَارَةِ, and from amongst the stones, lama yatafajjaru, there are those that gush forth, that gush forth minhu, from which al-anhar, rivers. Wa inna minha, and indeed from amongst them, lama, there are those yashaqqaqu, that break, split. Fayakhruju, then comes out, they split open. Fayakhruju, then comes out, minhu, from them, alma, pani, water. Water, pani says Urdu there. Urdu comes to me naturally, water. Wa inna minha, and from amongst them, lama yahbitu, there are those that fall, min khashyatillah, for fear of God, out of fear of God. Wa mallahu, and God is not, bighafilin, unaware, amma ta'malun, about what you do, about your deeds. He knows about your deeds. Afa, so is it, tatmauna, that you desire, within brackets, O Muslims, an yu'minu, that these people are going to believe, lakum, in you, in what you believe in what you're saying, lakum, in you. Waqad kana, whereas kana fariqun, there is a group. The truth is that there is a group, minhum, amongst them, yasmauna, who have been listening to kalam Allahi, God's word, summa, then yuharrifunahu, they change it, mim badi ma aqaluhu, mim badi, after ma aqaluhu, they've understood it, wahum ya'lamun, and they do it knowingly. Do it knowingly. I recited, yes. Isn't it moving? I mean, it's moving and scary. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإن من الحجارة لما يتفجر منه الأنهار وإن منها لما يشقق فيخرج منه الماء وإن منها لما يحبط من خشية الله وما الله بغافل عما تعملون أفتطمعون أن يؤمنوا لكم وقد كان فريق منهم يسمعون كلام الله ثم يحرفونه من بعد ما عقلوه وهم يعلمون. Sadaq Allahu al-Azim. I'm sure that you've understood it quite well. The great thing about these lessons is that they're very brief. they end very soon. It's not a bad idea. You know what? If you do things regularly, even if small in their size, in the time that you get involved in them, it's because of your regular participation that you start understanding them. And I think the idea is that you like the process rather than you are burdened with a huge amount of work which you don't like. So I hope sincerely that you are liking it, you're loving it. And for until the next episode, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Take care of yourself.